My name is Eric Scott, and this is my submission for Lab 9. So I've decided to create a device that will lock your doors based on the time of day and how bright it is outside. So my circuit is fairly simple. I set up a light sensor, and I'm reading the voltage across that into an analog input pin. Then based off of that and the time that's stored inside the Arduino, I turn a servo motor to either lock or unlock your doors. So I keep track of the time manually in my Arduino code so that I can change the time around to test different base cases. And then the processing window I have displays the current date in the top left corner. In the top right corner, it is a graphic of the sun. The length of the lines coming off the sun is based off of the value returned from the light sensor. And if the sensor value goes too low, it turns into a moon. It displays the current time in the center, and it displays the status of your doors if they're locked or unlocked on the bottom. So you can see if I cover up the light sensor a little, the length of those rays is shortening. And if I cover it up completely, it turns into a moon. The other base case that I need to test is that your doors will always lock once it hits 9 p.m. So once that clock hits 9, the servo motor should turn and the status should turn to locked. And there you go. You'll also notice that if it's not 9 o'clock yet, but it becomes dark outside, in other words, I cover up the light sensor, the status of your doors will turn to locked, and the sun in the top right corner will turn into a moon, and then your servo motor will lock your doors. So I'm gonna cover up the light sensor. You can see both changed. If I come over here, when I uncover it, as in it becomes day, then your doors unlock.